Hello, and welcome to Harmonia Residences Airport West. My name is Surveyor Mushofa Yahaya.
I am Mahmoud, project engineer of Harmonia Residence.
We are here to walk you through our construction progress report for April 2024. Come with us. Engineer Mahmoud, tell us what's going on today.
So when you came last time, it was during the fasting month.
Yes.
So we thank God we finished the fasting and we enjoyed the holiday, some days of holiday of Eid al-Fitr. And now we are catching up the week on the 6th floor.
Okay.
We are doing the last phase of the columns and the walls.
Okay.
At the same time, we've done almost like 80% of the slab, picking of the slab.
Okay.
So this slab will be casted next week. At the same time, we are doing the block work on the 3rd floor. We are finishing the 2nd floor and the 1st floor. At the same time, we are moving on with the MEP connections for the plumbing, electrical, the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd. And we are doing the plastering for the washing room also. We are going to start just right now the setting of the blocks on the 4th floor.
Okay.
At the same time, we are doing the connection for the septic tank to cast the walls and the slab very soon.
Okay.
For the next week, we are going to cast the, I told you, we are going to cast the 6th floor next week. We are moving for the 7th floor columns and the slab, and we are trying to move and bring more speed to achieve more during the next update. Inshallah, we'll come and see something different.
Inshallah, we will. Thank you so much for this update. We appreciate your time.
Thank you for coming, always.
Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to this channel and follow us on all of our social media handles. See you in our next update.